Get out, it's time to get up. I grind, I shine. Get out. I grind, I shine. Get out, it's time to get up. I grind, I shine. I'm worth. Get out. I grind, I shine. Good morning, early birds! What up, world? It's me, your boy Devon D. And yes, we are back for another early bird session right here, y'all, on Facebook and YouTube Live, where I come to you each and every morning at 6 a.m., helping you control your energy so you can control your life. Good morning, people. How y'all doing? Another great day to be alive. Remember, God has not made any mistakes, so let's stop waking up like you woke up by well. Wake up with intention. Understand that you got purpose and tremendous value. And you are a fruit that's meant to, provide fruit on this planet. You are a seed that's meant to provide fruit on this planet. And you know what? We got to get through the dirt. We got to grow and be great and be strong so that, we can just do that, provide the fruit that we are meant to provide while we own this planet. Remember, all the stuff that you've been through, all the dirt, remember, all the things you've been through is the reason that you're here. That's the reason that you've made it. You're strong, you're worth it, and you matter. And understand that today don't care about yesterday. So it don't matter what happened yesterday, last week, last month, or last year. Remember, today and each and every day is a day to get closer and closer and closer to your goals and dreams. All you got to do is just take the accountability and make sure that you're moving your feet in the right direction. Make sure that before you go out into this wild world, that that you don't allow the devil to, throw his tricks at you and allow them to stop you from, where you need to be. We don't turn speed bumps into stop signs. We go around them, we get through them, and you know what? We continue to move. Good morning, everybody. If you are new here to the early bird session, whether you're on Facebook or YouTube Live, please leave a comment in the comment section. Share some energy with us, spread some positive love, say good morning, Grand Rising, whatever it is that you say. If you got a quote, if you got anything that that you got going on, make sure that you share right here in the comment section. During our videos, we post them on the screen. So please, the more love that we got, the more, good energy and positive vibes, the better. So please send your comments. Don't be shy. Let the world know that you're here. What's going on, Tycee? Good morning. Happy Tuesday to you as well. We're going to get into our first video this morning, y'all. It's my Ace Hood record, man. Undefeated, great record. We've been trying and experimenting and exploring different avenues. Yesterday we had the great L Boogie, DJ L Boogie. You gave us our morning mix yesterday, so shout out to L Boogie. L Boogie will be coming on more often. Delivering, some good energy, some good music. He's gonna put together some mixes and we're gonna jam with him in the mornings, y'all. So shout out to L Boogie. We got a new fitness instructor who's gonna come on and help us, do some home exercises, things that we can do at home to stay fit. Just because they, shut the gym down. Like I say, you can stay home, but we still can stay grinding. So all the way from Houston, Texas, we have Maddie from Victory Life Hacks. She will be on, giving us some instructions. So, man, stay tuned. The show is growing. People from all over the country want to be involved. And as long as they got good value and people got good hearts and if it's good for us, we're gonna feature it here on the Early Bird. If you're an artist out there who got a motivational song or something that just feel good, send us your record, send us your videos. If you got a video, we'll actually play the actual video. Send us the song as well. Boogie might use them in his mix. This is a community of positive change. And we all gonna, let the world know we here by, providing something, our art, our gifts. This is what this is for. I'm not here to be famous. I'm here to be effective. And that's what we're going to do. We're going to involve more people who can help us out and, give us some fun facts and give us some healthy hacks and some life hacks. So, Hood Rising. Oh, what's going on, Precious Barky? Yeah, you see, I stayed away from the Dana. We're going to figure that out. What's going on, Precious? Good morning to you as well. We're going to get into this video. Then we're going to get back here in a minute. And we're going to talk about some more stuff. Our topic for today, Yo, develop the habit for success. Now we gonna develop habits. There's some things that we gotta do and take accountability for, y'all. So you know what? Today we gonna develop habits of success. We gotta develop the habit of success. So we're gonna talk about that in a minute. I'll check y'all in a minute. Good morning, my early birds. I'll see y'all after this video. Peace.
Hey, Nation. Don't give a fuck, cause in this moment I got shit on my mind. Just to test a nigga hard, I put that bait on the line. Tryna level balance out, I meditate all the time. Learn my lesson, turn my blessings into one of a kind. I'm gon' stand up face to face to anything in my way. Mama told me never let my feelings get in the way. I'm waking up like how the hell can I get better today? I gave myself that confirmation, boy you already great. I'm undefeated, I feel the genius inside me alive. Took a minute, rewire vision, I finally arrived. You can feel it in every lyric I speak in my rhymes. No competition, I'm totally different, you fully advised. Heavy on the grind, working my relationships to even out the odds. Stacking up the money, put some people on the job. Heard some people sleeping, so I'm turning up the knob. I am just another living version of a god, taking care of my body so it fully get to thrive. I've been traumatized, I've been ill-advised. I can't sympathize once I emphasize I'm undefeated. This shit is deeper than a rap. In fact, you gotta know the meaning. Misunderstood, hope you ready when I come undefeated. I took some blows, got back up and told them demons undefeated. Every time they count me out, I come back harder undefeated. I feel that Holy Ghost inside me, they admire my glow. I told myself to get back up when I got down on my low. I told myself that I won't let these people snatch out my soul. I told my dog ain't tell him shit because he already know. And I'm on my savage, just trip to Paris, my arrogant flow. And I got that Frankie Lucas Montana, that heroin dope. Never want you to confuse it, my music just therapeutic. Oh, I meant therapeutic. I'm in that coupe, the new 6. I'm with my queen and my kids. I need them much as my ribs. I must invest in my shield. I'm like the best in my field. They lack the patience, be still. I'm activated, I'm going ape in that gym. You look inside, it's that gym. Don't be afraid of that shit. Let no one tamper with it. I got control of all my demons. I've been king ever since. I'm on a totally different frequency. It's too evident. I'm in a new element. I'm on some you ain't legit. On another level, hungrier than ever, like I'm locked into the cellar. Never question God, I know we working for the better. Got him where I want him, ain't no letting off the pedal, undefeated. This shit is deeper than a rap, in fact you gotta know the meaning. Misunderstood, hope you ready when I come undefeated. I took some blows, got back up and told them demons undefeated. Every time they count me out, I come back harder undefeated.
That was Ace Hood with Undefeated. Yo, check him out on YouTube. Ace Hood, y'all. Great record. One of my favorite records, man. Shout out to Ace. Yo, good morning. Good morning, Robert Forrest. What's going on? Good morning, man. Early Birds just checking in. Early Bird get the worm. Remember, early grinders get the money. How y'all doing this morning? Like I say, just another great day to be alive, man. You know what? We should be excited to wake up each and every day, especially when you live in life on your terms. Man, who wants to sleep through that? You should be excited to wake up each and every day to see the power that and show the and be able to show the fullness of fullest extent of yourself. Yo, you should be excited to wake up to do that. Yo, and if you're not, yo, we got to change some things. Just some things that need to switch up. And you know what? We got a little remedy for that. We got a little remedy for when things need to switch up, change up. We do is we control, alt, and delete. That's what we do over here in the early bird section. We hit control, alt, sometimes even delete. Let me show you what I'm talking about, y'all. Control, alt, delete. Control the things that you in and around. Man, if the environments you in right now are not conducive to your growth, you need to remove yourself. Get up out of there. Yo, you got to control the only thing on this planet that you can control, and that's you. Yo, don't place yourself, don't put yourself in environments that is not going to help you grow. You ever heard of wrong place at the wrong time? Sometimes places that you probably know that you don't need to be in anyway. So you know what? If you know that's you, yo, don't try to prove something to somebody else and just, you know, place yourself just there, just trying to, you know what, show off for somebody else. Only place yourself in places that you need to be. Remember, we got goals and things to accomplish. We ain't got time to be in areas and in places that's not going to help us get there. So, yo, control your environments. Or sometimes you got to hit that alt key. Choose some different alternatives. Yeah, especially if the things you're doing right now are not working to get you there fast enough. Sometimes you got to choose some different alternatives. I tell you guys each and every day that success is a blueprint. Failure is a pattern. So watch the patterns of your life and make sure that you are following the blueprint towards your success. Or sometimes you got to hit that delete key. Delete situations, relationships, and sometimes even people. You don't care who it is, how it is, or what it is. If they not good for you, if it's not good for you, if whatever ain't good for you, it gotta go. I don't care if you're laying next to him or her. I don't care if you grew up with them. I don't care if they friends or family. Yo, get the things that don't belong in your life out. Anything that's stopping you, you know what, getting in your way, yo, it's time. We gotta sometimes delete them, delete the situation. Sometimes we gotta delete that relationship. Or all those people who've been hating on you. Hey, just like that old computer though, when you hit Control-Alt-Delete because the computer was acting up, yo, when it refresh and reboot, it start acting right? So sometimes that's what we need to do in our life. We need to hit Control-Alt-Delete so we can get a refresh, a reboot in our life, and our life can start acting right. Good morning, y'all. How you doing this morning? Yo, we got one more video that we're going to run through real quick, y'all, and then we're going to chat a little bit. We're going to talk a little bit about developing the habit of success. We got to develop the habit of success because you know what? We know what the habit of poverty look like. We know what the habits of broke. We know what those feel like. So you know what? We got to develop some different habits so that we can develop the habit of success so that we can start what? Expecting our success. Absolutely. So after this video, we're going to talk about that a little bit. We're going to chat about that a little bit. So chime in where you feel fit. If you got any tips for people to develop healthy habits, yo, remember, this is a community. You can go ahead and chime in. Let's hear what you got to say. Yo, let's put up that quote. Let's let the world know that you were here. So thank you again. We'll get into this video and then we'll be right back. I'll see you in a minute, people. Good morning, early birds. The world is watching. The world is watching. Shh, y'all be quiet. The show about to come on.
Young CEO.
It's cute, man. I got a story to tell, you know? I mean, there's a lot of artists who say they put their life on these beats. Man, I'ma show them what it's about. Look, I can't explain it. How am I to feel? And how am I to see with a vision full of deceit? A heart full of regret, a head full of painful memories. That's all that's left of me besides my music and my dignity. I wake up every morning hoping it's all a dream. I smile in front of cameras, but it ain't good as it seems. And it's crazy, cause people think they know my situation, but it's more than music, people. It's my life and renovation. They say life is what you make it, but I beg to disagree. Cause if it was the only role model I had, wouldn't be deceased. I threw my faith in the trash. I recycle my beliefs to create a better me, so I can get up out the streets. Had a pocket full of stones, hustling out in the rain. I don't speak, cause if I do, they probably think I'm insane. So I look up to the sky, hold my head and keep praying. Cause in the back of my mind, I know that God's got a plan. And I'm saying, life is hard, I know, believe me, I know. And the harder I go, they gon' hate me, and that's okay. When I thought it was the end for me, I knew God had a plan for me, for me. Life is hard, I know, believe me, I know. And the harder I go, they gon' hate me, and that's okay. When I thought it was Listen, I walk through this valley of murder with no compass to lead me to that altar that shows me a better purpose. Imagine mama working 2 jobs to survive, and every time you step outside it's a better chance you could die. Damn, so I hold my heat and pitch my work up at the course. Daddy ball like Robert Horry, but he wasn't no support. Mama boyfriend used to be the trip from the doctor and back. The whole family gave up on us cause she always took them back, and it's crazy. Walk a block in my sneakers, this is life for me. Scooter hit the trap to get them J's mama come by for me. I hope for a better way, I know it is, it gotta be. I look up to the sky, but I don't see nobody watching me. Bullets flying, a reaper taking shots at me. Look into my face, what you see besides acne? Fresh out of the womb, instantly became a man. But still I hold my head, cause I know God's got a plan. And I'm saying, I know, believe me, I know. And the harder I go, they gon' hate me, but that's okay. When I thought it was the end for me, I knew God had a plan for me, for me. Life is hard, I know, believe me, I know. And the harder I go, they gon' hate me, but that's okay. When I thought it was the end for me, I knew God had a plan for me, for me.
Flawless reminds me a lot of Drake, yo. One of the most articulate, and I think he has one of the strongest work ethics.
He gonna eat.
Right.
He's so well spoken that he could lead a movement.
I remember eating Silver Lake pizza for dinner all winter. Didn't have it all in my eyes, I was a winner. Emotion pouring out of my mind made me a spitter. I ain't know what I would be, I just knew it wasn't a quitter. Never thought the journey would be this long. You don't know till you don't really have a choice to be strong. I ain't even have a plan, I just knew I wanted fans in the stands, singing every single word of my songs. I'm getting close, here's a toast to all the pain and the tears over the years. The fact I'm trying to get to the top, taking the stairs. The fact I worked as hard as I did when nobody cared. Now they gotta speak the best if they ever try to compare. Oh, it's time now, I'm about to wild out. Oh, you the one? I don't know, we about to find out. They just wanna take me and start squeezing every dime out. That's why I keep the fruits of my labor over at my house. Don't let them fix their mouth and try to tell you that you're worthless. Mistakes are only made when you're attempting to be perfect. And when something doesn't work, it ain't aligning with your purpose. If pressure makes a diamond, I can make a jeweler nervous. See, I overcame all of the odds. Think it's time to get even. Really made this my job, this how my family eating. Give the credit to God, he helped me battle my demons. On every single weekday, I had the strength to defeat them, it's real. And I pray that you protect your dreams. When you visit them at night, you have the best front seat. Vivid. Just a matter of time till you live it. Close your eyes, I'm helping to remind you why you living. Gotta make the best of the life and mind you were given. Yeah, right, who am I kidding? The world will take a sitting if I ain't one of the greats. And between that and death, I don't know who's winning the race. It's real.
Yo, shout out to Q with Life is Hard and Flawless Real Talk with It's Real. Good morning, people. Yo, make sure y'all go check those 2 videos out on YouTube. Yo, I am Q TV for Q and Flawless Real Talk for Flawless. Yo, good morning, y'all. How y'all doing this morning? Like I say, just another great day to be alive. Yo, it's what we do each and every morning. Yo, before we get out into the world, before we go out and to the crazy and wild world. Going out here on autopilot, we make sure that, you know what, at least we got some attention. We figuring out how to make today count. Yo, we don't got no more days to waste. Yo, it's some things that we want to do and accomplish. And while they got the world on pause right now, is a great time to make sure that you developing and that you putting some action behind that plan that you got. Yo, what's going on? Like I say, if you are new here, if you are an early bird and you've been here before, yo, make sure that you leave some comments in the comment section. Yo, we like to display the comments on the screen. We want people to know that you are here. Yo, spread some good energy. You know what? Spread some love. And you know what? Be a part of this community of positive change. You know what? We ain't going to just spectate. We're going to be a part of this community of positive change. Good morning, Tasha Thomas. Good morning, Sunshine. I hope all is well with you guys. Yo, today, like I say, we're just going to chat just a little bit about developing the habit of success. Develop the habit of success. and it just came across my mind, just kind of thinking about, when I talk to, certain people, even when I'm coaching, where people is asking for, how, asking for the story of how it happened and what's going on and how can they make it happen in their life. And for somebody, you might hear, from, people who grind, they say it's simple. Just, just grind. Just, and I'll say you kind of been cheated if that's the answer you was given, because yes, it's a lot more detail. It's a lot more involved in, just doing it. And when I was thinking about that, it just, like I say, it just, came down to a lot of the habits in our life that, one that, that existed. And you gotta be real about the ones that are present in your life. What are the habits right now? What are they getting you? Where are they leading you? And just being honest about that reality, about the things that you partake in right now, the things that you've been doing. And you know what, no matter what that is or what that looks like, we just want to deal with the reality of the situation. It's not to beat you, or to badger you, or to call you, to say to make you just look at your flaws and feel bad about yourself. No, we just want to deal with the reality so that we know which direction to go from. You know what I mean? We need to make sure that, okay, we need to know where we at so that we know where to take us. And that's just being real about, how we treat ourselves, how we've been treating our passion, how we've been treating our gifts. And just, um, making sure that we are looking at the thing or looking on the thing so that we know how to position ourselves, and we know how to make sure that we are in full control of that, the direction towards the success that we want to see in our life. So we got to watch the habits. Some, like, when we talked about, people who, go out and to the clubs every weekend, people who was going out to the clubs every weekend for no reason, just because that's where everybody, I think, they thought was at, and they wanted to be seen. They bought a new dress or some new shoes, or whatever, and they outfit, and they want to show it off for a bunch of people who don't really care, you know what I mean? And then two, um, you know, being foolish with, what our time and our finances, especially the money that we work so hard for. So we gotta watch the habits, because, now that the world has been shut down, you haven't been able to go out every weekend, right? So ask yourself, how much was a need for you to be going out every weekend in the first place? How much money have you saved? Have you, thought about, you know what, just the environments and the things that you used to do before they shut the city down, all the things you used to be distracted by, all the things that you felt like, oh, I had to go do this or I got to go do that, when none of that stuff was real. And you know what, right now the world has set us down back to the natural essence of our own self, to be able to look at ourselves, put ourselves in the house for us to deal with us, ourselves, and our families and foundation. And you know what, we just got to be real about what those habits and what that looks like. We got to be really clear about that, so that we can start developing the better habits. We can develop better habits that will lead us towards a better outcome. Like I say, we are striving for success each and every day, and we got to make sure that each and every day that we put some goals in place to make sure that today, by the time this day is over, that I'm just this much or that much or this much closer to the thing that we are that we're shooting for, to the goal that is coming in the horizon. Develop the habit for success. How do you manage your time each and every day? When you wake up, what do you do when you wake up? Do you, first thing you do is you go on Facebook to see what everybody talking about? What is the habit? What do you do each and every day? Do you wake up and do you talk to your creator, or do you get up? Do you instead of being distracted by social media, do you study? Do you read? Do you do yoga? Do you work out? What do you do, to make sure that when you start in your day, from the time you wake up and open your eyes, that you are in full control of your energy, what's going to happen during the day, You know what? Even if your energy wakes up kind of off whack, that we got to get it back in balance. Whether it's that, getting you a cup of coffee, whether it's that playing your record, whatever the case may be, instead of just waking up at the last minute and just jumping out into the world when, like I say, sometimes your mind ain't even ready yet. It's just like, you know what, you threw me out here, I'm gonna deal with it, but we ain't quite ready, and we don't quite have no clarity on what we doing today and how we gonna make today count. Yo, we got to develop a different habit. Know what today's are. Know what how we use the 24 hours that, what, sometimes we just take so much for granted. How are you using your time? What are you going? How are you making, each hour or each whatever? How are you making each day worth it? How are you making it productive? What is the habits, or are you still being distracted, sitting at the crib playing video games all day because hey man, ain't got nothing else to do, right? It's always something to do, especially when you are great as you are and you got all the gifts that's inside of you. It's always some way to develop it, to nurture it, to put it out here. Tasha Thomas says it's crazy because I was off work for a month and a half and managed to save $800, and I swear I was baffled, but it made me see just how much money I was wasting. Absolutely, absolutely. Thank you, Tasha. I really appreciate that testimony right there. Paula Sanford, good morning. Good morning to you as well. So, yeah, I mean, you'll discover, how much you can save, how much that you can that $800 or whatever now can go towards, something that's beneficial towards your purpose, not just the bills and not just those things. Yo, it's time to build preventive maintenance. Remember that preventive maintenance. We got to do things now so that the future could be what it needs to be. But that all is in habits. Like, remember, habits. How much are you doing preventive maintenance in your life to prevent your life from breaking down in the future? I tell you guys all the time about being accountable. We always talk about, not looking out the window and looking to the mirror. And that's just a huge accountability piece, because the law of attraction says that everything that's in your life, that's happened in your life, is things that you attracted to your life. So whether directly or indirectly, consciously or subconsciously, the things that we may not like in our life, especially as adults, and the things that seem to happen, or some of the patterns that seem to happen, are all part of what we attracted and we brought into our life. So if you want to bring in some new things, if you want to, attract a different type of energy, you got to do different type of things. You got to develop different type of habits. You got to be willing to, inconvenience yourself. You got to be willing to say, I'm going to, alter or to evolve, whatever words you want to feel comfortable with using. But change some things inside of you to make sure that you are a person, you are a habit of success. It's a creature of habit. You are a habit of success. Yo, there's a ritual, there's an energy, there's a knowledge base, there's a wisdom there that that no one could take away from you. You just got to focus, make sure that you're making your days count, understand your purpose, explore your gift, and not let the frivolous and these things that really, we talked about how we let small circumstances get in the way of big dreams. And developing great habits and exploring and understand what's really important in your life allows us not to be deterred and distracted by all those frivolous things that really don't mean nothing in our life. And once you understand that you're important, and you place the us, ours, and others, remember something that we work for something that's bigger than ourselves, right? Even though we talk about developing ourselves, we develop in ourselves to be able to take care of something that's bigger than us, ours, and others, the friends, the family, to be an example to the children, be an example to the world, be an example to our communities. Yo, as we go out here and be successful and be great, that's what we do. We show them that not only the drug dealer can look successful, but the person who opened up their donut shop can too. Not only the the dude who steal all the cars, and you know what I'm saying, the scammer can have, you know, things and ride nice cars. The person who owns that restaurant, the person who is an artist, who is a painter, who is a, you know what, a poet, someone who writes, those people can too. Remember, we got to change the perspective. A lot of times when children see, you know, somebody who working hard, they don't see nothing successful. All they see is somebody who working hard and complaining about it, and they like, why I want to do that? Why I want to go somewhere and work hard all day and then live a life of complaining and still not feeling fulfilled? Yo, we got to change what they see and what they're experiencing. If they see you each and every day living your life to the fullest extent, they see you living life on your terms, they see you, you know, being able to, you know what, have and being able to experience life on a level that, you know what, that they would like to see it on, without risking, you know what, as much as people go out here and risk to be able to have that, without risking that, being able to be secure, to be able to have that each and every day. Yo, that's what we gotta display. We gotta display some different habits. We gotta give the next generation something to look forward to, something to look, you know what, I want to be like that. And even if you gotta put the medicine in the candy, which what I mean by that, yeah, sometimes if you gotta, you know, because we, you know, we look nice, or we wear our own brands, or we drive certain type of cars, or people see your business and they, you know, they flock to it for, you know, maybe the simple reason of, you know, it looks like, you know, money or success. Even if they come for the simple reason, okay, we can put the medicine in the candy. You know, you came for this candy, but let me show you the medicine that it took and that it takes to be able to, you know what, have and to be able to deliver on this type of level. Yo, look, we could put the medicine in the candy, whatever it takes, but we just have to develop the habits of success. Your life is broke down because you ain't doing nothing. You asked God to order your footsteps, but you wasn't willing to move your feet. Your life is broke down because you sat back and said, man, I'm just being me. And not understanding that just because that's who, you know what, how you used to act don't mean that that's who you have to be. You can alter and evolve yourself anytime you want. You know, that's just an excuse to be able to continue to do what you, that continue to do nothing. That just, I'm just going to be me. It's just an excuse to continue to do nothing. And then what you do is you get around other people who gonna hype you up to do more nothing. Yeah, man, forget, you ain't gotta, man, forget exploring yourself and developing a successful habit, man. Forget, they gonna hype you up to do more nothing. So, you know what? We gotta be accountable about what's going on. Listen, you know, what, your habits, the things that you partake in, the environments, the how you protect your energy, what you, it's all gonna be reflective in your life. And like I say, if you reflect in your life and you're not quite, you know, you like some things, but some things need to change. Some things need to be tweaked a little bit. Go ahead and tweak them. Go ahead and fix them. It's important. It's super important because remember, there's people who dependent on you who are watching. And as you grow and be great, and you feel good, and you get to a place of, you know what, a bliss and a place where, you know what, that you feel like, you know what, I have my life back in my hands, the secure place. Because you see, placing it in the government hands, placing it in other people's hands ain't gonna work. They're gonna let you down every time. It's gonna let you down every time, even when the road looks smooth. You know what? Seems to be always a cliff when you put your life in somebody else's hand. Develop the habits of success. And I have a 9:30 a.m. phone call and putting together my shelter and care facility for the state. I've been using my time to make connections. Absolutely. Using this time to be productive. And you know what, Tasha, as you keep going forward, remember, I had talks with you. We met in person. So, you know what? I know the person you are on the grind that you got, you going to go ahead. I know you using I know you making it happen. Continue. Because you know what? It's going to happen. It's going to develop. And you have done enough stuff to know. So keep going in that direction. Stay grinding. You doing good. You've been doing great, and all those things that you've been through are just lessons. Remember, those just fertilizer for the seed. It's all good. Those things ain't gonna do nothing but make you stronger. Now you know the warning signs and everything else to pursue and to push through. So shout out and salute to you. Deshanta Stewart, good morning to you as well. Yo, longtime friend, yo, classmate, School of the Arts, I see you. What's going on, Deshanta? Hope all is well with you and your family. Hope y'all staying safe. Stay home. I know you staying grinding though. And you know what? And I hope you letting people hear that beautiful voice that you have. One of the most angelic and beautiful voices that I've ever heard in my life. So make sure you letting people hear that. Don't hold that back. Yeah, share that gift. Yeah, I'll put you out there. The world is watching. So, guys, thank you. Remember, develop the habits of success. Develop the habits of success. Let's take full accountability. Let's understand that, you know what? We are in control of us. So what we do, how we are, and what we are is totally in our control. It's totally in our hands. And it's totally in your hands. You worth it. You matter. You're meant to be great on this planet. Now it's time to go out here and do it. It's time to go out here for it. Thank you as well. No problem. No problem, Deshanta. You're welcome, sweetie. So, yo, please do me one favor, y'all. I don't ask y'all for no money or nothing. If you heard anything in this live that, you know what, is inspirational, motivational, or just had some good information, yo, please do me one favor. I don't ask for no money or nothing. Please just share this video. Share, please. Share this with somebody that's trying to be nosy on your page, trying to figure out what you're doing and who you're doing it with. Yo, share this with them. Give them something inspirational, motivational, or just informational to be able to see, and maybe they can understand that, you know what, it's time for them to develop habits of success. Develop the habits of success. Share this video with somebody who might not come across me on Facebook or might not see my channel on YouTube. Share this with them. Let's enlighten them. Let's give them something each and every day to, you know what, maybe give them some fertilizer for their seed so that they can make each and every day of their life count. Making sure that we are intentional about our success, that we not hoping, we not wishing, we not leaving it up to chance. We ain't waiting for the publisher clearinghouse to knock on our door and give us some check talking about some, you win $1,000 a day for the rest of. Come on, man. I ain't never seen dude in the hood. So check this out. Yo, we ain't gonna sit there and be waiting on, somebody knock on the door to save us. Yo, the Savior is within yourself. And God has placed all the gifts and everything that you need right inside of you. And you keep looking out the window. You keep looking for somebody else. You keep looking for a message in the bottle when you know what? He has put it inside of your personal bottle, your personal self, and you're just looking in the wrong direction. So that's why I say, stop looking out the window. Start looking into the mirror. Let's start making our dreams a reality and our passion a profit. Because remember, the dream was just a preview. That dream was just a preview of what could be real in our life. But we have to take it from the dream state to the real state by doing the work necessary, doing the things necessary, exploring each and every level of our gifts and our purpose to be able to make these things real in our life. You can live the life, any life that you want. It depends on what you do to be able to achieve that and how much control that you take over your life to be able to live that life that you want and stop living for other people and their judgment and their expectations and what they think you should be and think you should have. Yo, we ain't living up to that no more. Yo, Flint, what's going on? I see you. I got me. Stay ready. Absolutely. Remember, it ain't enough to just get prepared. You have to stay ready, as Flint always say. Stay ready, as I always say as well. So it ain't enough just to, start working out one day. Yo, if you don't stay ready, hey, you ain't gonna have that beach body by this summer. You gotta stay in the gym. You can't just go to the gym for 2 days and think that, you know what, I did the work. No, can't. It ain't enough just to get prepared. You have to stay ready, because who knows when your blessing gonna come. And that's just direct in translation of when your blessing gonna come. Are you ready? Did you remove all the trash to be able to make room for a blessing? Yo, you got to develop the habit of success, y'all. That's what we're talking about. And that's why I say each and every day, expect your success. But the only way you can expect success by expecting and exploring more within yourself. So thank you again. Thank you guys again for logging on and tuning in with us. Remember, we're going to continue to grow and evolve this show. We're involving more people. So shout out to Maddie, Victory Life Hacks. Yo, she will be on starting sometime maybe next week and giving us, home exercises and things that we could do even in our dietary life, to be able to make sure that we putting good energy and good things into us, so that we can make sure that we get the most out of this body. It's kind of like a car. You can't put raggedy oil in the car and think that you're finna drive to Georgia. You know what I mean? Nah, you gotta put good things in it. You gotta put the right type of oil. You gotta put the right type of fluids in the system, or you know what, the car gonna break down. And that's kind of the same thing with us in our life. If you don't put the right things in the system, man, your body ain't gonna hold up. It's gonna break down on you. We don't need that. What's going on, Evie Lamar? The world is watching. Thank you guys again for logging on. Like I say, man, early bird get the worm, early grinders get the money. Thank you guys. Thank you guys. Thank you guys. Continue to support. Continue to share. Let's continue to grow, not just this platform, but just our entire community, so that we can have change that we can see right where you are right now. Remember, we ain't gotta leave and go to Beverly Hills to see a better life. No, you can have one better right where you are, but it depends on the things that the habits and the things that you place yourself into. So remember, let's develop a healthy habits. Let's develop healthy habits. Let's develop habits of success. Let me see if I can get this on the screen. Let's see where it's at. Let's see if I can get something on the screen. Let's see. Where is it? Okay, here it is right here. Let's see if I can get this on the screen real quick, y'all. Boom! Yeah, there you go. So, check this out. I got this sheet, so it's part of my Dramality workshop. If you want this sheet, I will give it to you guys. This is just 10 daily habits of most successful entrepreneurs. And it just kind of give you, a foundation of some routine stuff that that you can do or you could use to make sure that, that you got some foundation on where, how to scale your day so that, you make these days count, how to balance out, family and business and, other things. So if you want this, I'll send you a PDF, but you got to hit me in the inbox. Let me know you want it. I'll send it right to you. Print it out, put it on the refrigerator. I got like 4 of these things. I got like one in my office, one in my refrigerator, one in my room. Like I keep it in my book bag, just to keep me a reminder that, all right, these are the habits, and when I get off task, that I was like, man, you got something to do, and then developing a team around you who gonna help keep you accountable. So, if you want this workshop, if you want this, it's right here. If you want this sheet right here, if you want this worksheet, let me know. Like I said, hit me in the inbox, and I'll make sure that you have it. Also, go to my website, devon-d.com. Get the book, DNA. It's already in your DNA. 21 Ways to Reclaim the Power You Was Born With. Declarations and Affirmations. Just a small book. It's a free book. If you sign up for my website, devon-d.com. Free book. All you got to do is subscribe, put in some information, and we're going to send you a book. So, if you want this, make sure I send it to you guys. Thank you guys again, like I said, for logging on. I will see you guys tomorrow, 6 a.m. right back here for another early bird session where we help you control your energy to control your life. Remember, we just fertilizer, trying to be a little fertilizer for your seed, because you are meant to grow, be great, and provide fruit on this planet. But sometimes we just got to break through the dirt, and sometimes we just need a little bit more water, a little bit more inspiration, a little bit more motivation to be able to break through so that we can, start seeing our light shine. So thank you guys again. Thank for all the early birds that checked in with me this morning. She said, I want one. Absolutely. I want one, please. Absolutely. Hit me in the inbox. I'll make sure y'all got that worksheet. Like I say, just print it out, put it on the refrigerator, put it up. And you know what? Start developing habits of success, y'all. Thank you. It's time to expect your success. And if you want any of this gear, remember, go to realfashionstatements.com. Yeah, realfashionstatements.com. There you will find the Expect Success, the collection. Go in there, get you a hat, get you a sweatshirt, get you a t-shirt, get you some socks, some leggings, shower curtain, whatever. This fashion statements, real fashion statements. This is fashion that has a real statement, something that reminds us of what we're supposed to be doing and how great we are, and things to to program. This is a subconscious program as it is stylish and fly at the same time, if I must say so myself. So thank you. Yeah, if y'all want one, definitely thank you, Deshonta. I will make sure I send that to you guys. I appreciate you guys. Thank you guys again for logging on. And remember, yo, share this video. And I'll see you guys back here tomorrow, right? 6 a.m.? Yeah. Yo, excited to wake up each and every day, making sure that we making these days count. So thank you guys for logging on. I appreciate you guys. You guys go out here and be well, no matter what you're getting up for today, whether you got to go to work, take the kids somewhere, or get to Walmart before they steal all the tissue. Whatever you got to do, whatever you up for this morning, let's make sure that we make it each and every day count, y'all. So y'all go out here and be great because you worth it and you matter. And you know what? Let's spread some love, man. I appreciate you guys again. Thank you guys, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Another early bird session with me and my man Jules. That's our early bird, y'all. Early bird get the worm, early grind to get the money, and he the coolest bird you'll ever see. So come hang out with us tomorrow, 6 a.m. as we, you know what? We get up and we get out and we get something. Hey, the world is watching. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good morning, early birds. Peace.